whatever. And I'm going to start a new project. So here is my typewriter that I got. It was really cheap at a flea market. And it's working, but you know, the color, I mean, I'm not doing it justice, I'm admitting that, but yeah. And also I have this album where I have my one little word. I don't like it being brown, so I am thinking about changing those things. Okay, so I'm out here in my dad's workshop. I have the stuff I'm going to paint. I have my paint, which is this one, and it's a mint color. Hopefully that would look pretty. I have some typewriter, I don't know what you call it, but to clean my typewriter before I spray it. Some masking tape and some newspaper to sort of protect this. I'm just going to spray as it is. Oops, but this one, obviously I can't spray over this or this. So I'm hopefully can manage to do that. So, okay, so I have covered and secured my typewriter and the lid, and now we're just going to start spraying. Okay, so the first layer of the paint is done on my stuff. My brother is doing his cast thingies. I am on the four-wheeler because why not? Here is my car. He is standing inside because he has a wet issue. I don't know. He gets wet and gets a lot of fog inside when I drive. So he stands in here to get dried. Outside it is snowing, and yeah, so I'm just waiting for my stuff so I can go on a second coat. The album still is brown, which was the main thing why I tried to fix it, and getting a bit annoyed. How's it going for you, Arvid?
Nah, not very good.
Not good? I think it's going pretty well. I don't know what you're doing with your finger though.
The main brain has it's hard.
Okay.
Fuck.
And this is how it looks after layer number 2. The album is still brown. The machine looks pretty great. And the cover does too. So I think I will just wait a bit longer, go on with layer number 3 and then calling it done. So one of my Christmas presents from my brother was a board to do my watercolor on. I do have a board, but it's pretty big, so I wished for a smaller one, and now he's going to make me another one out of this piece of wood. So we're going to cut it a bit and then sand it, and then he's going to spray it.
Yeah.
So here it is, the board that I made with my brother's help. So I sprayed in the same color because white was out. And the typewriter, I think it is done, it's going to dry. And so is the lid. The album then, which was one of the things I really wanted to take care of. It is still brown. It has a paler look to it. So now my brother is going to try to spray it with one of his black matte colors. Right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Have you shaken it up?
Yep.
Then we go. Okay, so yeah, not really what I had in mind. Okay, thank you. I can hold that. That was black, yeah.
Here's the metallic.
Yeah, but take that one first and we'll see how it goes. So I haven't really masked it off because whatever. Yeah, okay. Wow, that's a big difference. So, in conclusion then, these paints that I bought at Panduro, no good. That paint you bought at Biltema, yeah, that's the shit. So, okay, so we are back. It's done, my brother's spray. So, we have these little whites, or the speckles here is from this minty color coming through, but I think I can work with that anyway. It looks better now. And I didn't mask it properly, so I have a little bit of coming through, but still it's better than it was. So I'm going to unravel this and see how it will look. So here we have the finished project that I was working on today. I masked off this typewriter and I sprayed it, I think 3 times and then touched up, so 4 times I suppose. With this sort of mint color, I would say. The lid was definitely more green. I would call this pale blue. But I mean, it's really pretty, and considering how it looked before, I have the lid here as a reference color inside, and also the middle key is the same color. So here we have the lid. I think it turned out so great. It's really pretty, if I do say so myself. I'm really happy with my masking. I'm not very good at masking, I have to say. I have painting a lot of stuff and I'm not good at it, but here, okay, so that's the only place where I missed a bit, but if I just do it like that, you would never know until I told you. So I'm really happy with the result of it. Still in the I am in the studio right now actually, but in the workshop is another board. I have the board my brother made for me is right here, and the other one that we made today is still out there. So this one he sprayed white, sort of anyway, and I used the leftover of this minty color to spray the other board, but the paint ran out, so I used black on the other side. And the album I sprayed black on the inside, but I will show you that later. Whoops. Anyway, I just wanted to come here and say I'm really happy with how it looked. It's really fun. It was a bit fidgety to mask off the project. Viola is annoyed with me, but I love the end result of it. So if you want to spray Viola, hey. So if you want to redo your typewriter, then I would say just go ahead. I washed mine with Tirad, which is an alcohol-based cleaning or solvent, I don't know what you call it. But I think that's a good idea. And I just really love how it looks. It's so cute! Ta-da! And here we have the board. So, the one I got from my brother is sort of white, and you can see that the paint ran out. Oops. So I painted that one black, but I think that can be pretty good too. I don't think you really need to paint them, but you sometimes get little splinters, and I think the paint sort of keeps it down. I don't know if that's true. I think it is. And the album. was craft and brown before, and now it has this blue color. Here you have that speckle, and you can sort of feel it. I don't know if you can see, but it's not very nice. But I can definitely work with this speckled look. We can make it look a bit like a galaxy or something. And on the inside, I just made it black, and I think that's pretty good too. So yeah, I'm really happy. And there's the typewriter. So on the whole, a pretty great project for today. I think that's pretty good.